What's been appealing to me about the PICO system, the reason that I really have adopted it across all my patients, is the technology is based on negative pressure therapy. With the PICO system, we have the advantage that we can deliver that, but without a canister and with a small battery pack that the patient can go home with and can wear all the time. I tell my patients the reason that I'm going to use PICO for them is that I do believe it facilitates faster healing and an overall improved scar. I also found that my patients were really appreciating going home with that extra sense of care and technology that we were able to deliver to them. And I found that it was well worth making that change because I thought it improved patient outcomes and experience dramatically.